community, community. Thousand, thousand. Organised, organised. Nest, nest. Lay eggs, lay eggs. Species, species. Dig tunnels, dig tunnels. Collect, collect. Protect, protect. Attack, attack. Object, object. Wing, wing. Fly away, fly away. Mate, mate. Survive, survive. On its own, on its own. Anywhere, anywhere.
20 times. 20 times. Wait. Wait.
Ants are amazing because they are very organised and have different jobs.
Ants can carry 20 times their own weight. Amazing ants. Ants live in a large community called a colony. There are thousands of ants in each colony. They are very organised and have different jobs. The queen ant lives inside the nest and lays eggs. There can be one queen or many queens. The queen usually lives for a year or two, but the queens of some species can live for up to 30 years. Usually, queen ants are much bigger than the other ants in the colony. The worker ants dig tunnels and find and collect food. They are all female. They usually only live for a few months. Most ants in the colony are worker ants. Some ant colonies also have soldier ants. They protect the colony, attack ants from other colonies, and carry heavy objects. They are also female and live for a few months. They are bigger than worker ants and drones. The drones are the only male ants. They have wings, and they all fly away on warm days in summer to mate. They live for a few weeks or months. An ant cannot survive long on its own, but by working together in their colonies, they can live almost anywhere.
Queen ants are much bigger than the other ants in the colony. Worker ants are all female. Drones have wings and they all fly away on warm days in summer to mate.